I invite guest of honor of the event, Mr. Kumar, to address the gathering.
In front of the zone president, the zone vice president is here. And since evening, I got introduced to a lot of people. Everyone said that they are trainers, big trainers, zonal trainers, all with blazers. And I don't know what to speak and how to speak. And I'll take like this another 12 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes. I'll start like this. Respected President, respected Zone President, respected Zone Vice President, respected Immediate Past President, Secretary, Office Bearers of the year 2019-20 and Office Bearers of the year 2020-21. I feel very much privileged. I feel very much deeply moved to be present in this pleasant evening on this 16th year installation function of VJC International. And at the outset, I wish to compliment the outgoing team, the outgoing president and the outgoing office bearers, and who all contributed for the last year tenure in spite of this COVID. And I wish to compliment them for the excellent projects what they have made. And at the same time, at the outset, I wish to felicitate the incoming president and his team of office bearers to have a very successful JC year of 2020-21. Hosur is a small town. Gentlemen and ladies, 20 years before, Hosur had a population of around 20-25,000 people. And now its population is crossing 4 lakh. The entire population of Hosur is more than 50% of the population of the rest of Krishnagiri district. Krishnagiri district la irukra population, total extent, total population eduthamna, Hosur population is more. Hosur in the sense, Hosur and the satellite towns nearing to Hosur, the population is more. And here you have 40 JCs here, and we'll be having 7-8 clubs, chapters. And we have Rotarians, Rotary clubs, we have Lions clubs. And overall, if you see, there will be 2,000 people in the society who wants to do service. This 2,000 out of 4 lakh is less than 1%. So you are the real leaders of the society who wants to make the society good, and you are contributing to it continuously. An individual is there, a family is there, and an individual and a family combinedly together, they constitute a society. Suppose if we have 2 lakh families here, the cell, the individual is the cell, the next is the family is the unit, and these units collectively form a society. And really, I am very much moved to see the activities what you do here. Gentlemen and ladies, every one of us have lot of common factors. But certain people will be good, certain people will be performing, and certain people will excel. If you see the difference, why the difference is? Everything is a common input. If you list down what is to be taken to have an effective individual, if you list down, or there are a lot of factors, and if you list down over 10 factors, 10 points which had made an individual, Maybe the personal friend, the parents, our teachers, and we are all not young people, we are adults, we have our own family. On the personal front, we have our parents, we have our teachers, we have our own family. On the last part of the 10 points, if you take 10 points, on the knowledge front, you have knowledge, the mind is there, the knowledge is there. Then based on the knowledge, your efficiency or your affluent, and you have a constant word called hardworking, and you have a constant terminology called hardworking, and dedication, and and your resources in terms of, again, by your knowledge, by your wealth, and all these are the 4 factors. The top is 3, for example, and the bottom may be 4. In between there are 3 factors which I interpret personally, it's my personal opinion, which I interpret as the central part, the 3 factors, is the main catalyst factor which changes the individual. The individual, how he interprets the personal factors, how he interprets the knowledge factor, and converts it as his own behavior, his attitude, is the catalyst factor. Second thing, how we grow from a child to an adult, the physical growth, how we grow mentally as a knowledge factor from LKG, from kindergarten to a postgraduate study, how we grow in knowledge factor. And third thing is the psychological growth, the mental growth, the psychological growth. That also decides a major thing. So while doing, gentlemen, there is an important point, a very subtle point. The formative inputs of an individual when he reaches an adult stage, grows to a next level, the formative inputs, what it goes within him, apart from the personal, apart from the knowledge level, the formative inputs, beyond the interpretation, beyond the creative attitude, and beyond your psychological growth, that input makes you big. My name is Kumar. I was an architect by profession. I came to Hosur by 91. Then I was a builder. I had done a lot of residential projects, residential layouts, and I've created villa communities, either individually or with my friends as partners. Then we started institution. We started with 36 students, and now our campus has 6,000 students. No, not that. The formative input what I had in my earlier days had helped me to interpret properly, to take things in a right direction, to take right decisions, to include people, and those formative inputs have been given to me by the great organization JSIS. I am a JC. I was a joint secretary. I was a secretary of JSIS. I was a secretary of JSIS. I was a vice president admin. From 86 to 91, it was a golden period in my life, and this input I want to recognize in this meeting, in this forum, to my great JSIS. In PMC College, we do a lot of community projects. See, our vision is that, our mandate is there. Our mandate is to do 10 blood camps, 10 eye camps with Aravind Hospital, and 10 veterinary camps. And we plant only 1,000 trees. That is being done in order to mentor the student, to mend the student, to make him socially accessible, to make him to feel the society, to touch the elders. We do this as a mandate. And we merge with a lot of organizations, voluntary organizations. And I'll be generally called by Rotary International to come and speak. And I'll be called by Lions to come and speak. Whenever I go there, I'll feel what happened to my organization. There is not a single call, but I don't say that I require it. But I was waiting. I was waiting, and I had some basic input from J.C. Engels when he came to our campus to train what is happening in JCs. 86 to 91, JCs, the golden period. I have been taught by great masters of this globe, and they hail from Tamil Nadu. I have been taught by Mr. Muthuraman. I have been taught by Mr. Janagiraman. I have been taught by Raja Govindaswamy. I have been taught by Krish. We will be called for 3 days. In our JC life, we will be called for 3 days. And that 3 days, they'll put us in an auditorium. They'll teach us what to be taught. We have forgotten the venue. We have forgotten what they served as food and snacks. But we have received what they have given religiously as our inputs. Gentlemen and ladies, we have the Holy Gita, the Holy Quran, the Holy Bible. We'll be having one of these three. Our cult is that. But in JCs, they gave all the three to us. Effective public speaking, number 1. Number 2 is leadership in action. Number 3 is chairmanship and parliamentary procedures. Conferences after conferences, meetings after meetings, zonal conferences. We had tigers and lions with us. And we were waiting up to midnight, 12 o'clock in a state conference for waiting for Mr. Muthuswamy to come and speak there. He will never speak, he will roar. And I don't know how many of you knows Mr. Erode Muthuswamy. Gentlemen and ladies, that formative inputs, I owe for it. I owe for this organization. Gentlemen and ladies, I'll tell you, this is not a club. This is a Junior Chamber International. Chamber. You go and Google what is chamber. What is happening inside a chamber. What should happen inside a chamber. I was in charge for 4 installation functions. A president of India can't speak anything away from the writing. The governor can't speak anything away from the writing. The engine starts by 6:15. 9 o'clock it closes. A lot of laurels here. Very nice to see laurels here. But it is the JC. And it got changed in our tenure to Junior Chamber International. Again, I've seen from the diary that it came back to JCI. People go in Rotary, people go in Lions from the top. I don't know how they gone. It is their own caliber. And from there they come to the society. But here in JC, it is an individual development organization. Now, I'll come like this. Individual development organization where importance is given only for individual development. The individual I referred earlier. The individual, next is the family, that unit forms the society. What has been told by the founder of JCs in 1823, in 1873 I hope so, world peace. We should be the ambassadors of world peace. What has been delivered to us in our time, my JC life, my club is my first love. I can't accept anything. Our tenure, the state president, the elections, the war happening in the state conferences, we all felt it, we learnt it, and it has made me, if I'm like this now, I owe to Jesus. And people term that I am big, I have amazed wealth, I have a lot of recognitions. Everything is only because of the proper interpretation of our inputs from the family ethics and values, from the knowledge center. It has been blended properly by the formative inputs, what I took from JCs. And I personally congratulate and I thank for this opportunity. Rotary is a house in the next street. Lions is a house in the behind street. But JC is my home. I was waiting for this day to come. I was waiting for this day to come. I owe for this organization. I feel debtful for this organization. See, the inputs what we had in the age of 1990s, the society was different. I take this opportunity, I take this podium, I take this dais to inform our respected zonal president and respected zonal vice president that the society where our JCs are going to step in, are living, and our lovable youngsters are coming is not like that. It's not like 1990, it's not like 2000, it's not like 2010, and it is not like 2020 also, the next year. Up to last year, prior to COVID, we at management, at a lot of corporates, a lot of conferences, a lot of conclaves, we were speaking about certain facts that the globe is going to have this problem. What is the problem? The globe will become the VUCA factor. It is volatile, and it is uncertain, it is complex, it's ambiguous. We termed it as VUCA. Volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. And we expected anyone to come, like Varada Puyal, like one cyclone will come like that, we expected. But this COVID has taken all the fort inside now. And we are highly volatile now. This 2021 is going to be highly volatile, and 2021 is going to be highly uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. And I request the zonal president, so you are the masters. You are the masters in curriculum. You are the masters in training. You go and give training to everyone in the globe. Our organization is like that. But the curriculum, what I request you is, my humble submission here is, the curriculum should be designed in such a way that every JC is able to able to get used to this VUCA atmosphere, VUCA environment, and the training inputs from the JC to anyone in the geography, either student form or the professional form, that has to go from JC, inclusive of this VUCA, and they have to be flexible, they have to adapt to this environment. And this origin has to start from JCs, is my humble request. And I request the Zonal President to put it forward to the higher-ups, to the Curriculum Development Committee, the syllabus to be formed similarly. And this has to give lot of power and energy to our JCs. And as a depth, finally, just I don't want to take more time. I thought of speaking more. I was energetic, and a lot of people are sitting, and most of them are dining now. Of course, a human. Okay. I owe for the organization, from our Lake City Club, for any other clubs, or all clubs put together, or the consortium of all zones put together. If you want us to do anything for you, in the knowledge front, in the training front, as a soft skill, as a soft part, we from our college, PMC College, we are very much available to you. And as an individual with my other organizations, definitely I can also support this and let this era and our President Saravanan. A week before, a call came to our PRO, college PRO, Dr. Vijay Kumar, that there is an organization called JC, and they are going to conduct an installation function. The President wants to speak to you. Then he called me, and I spoke to Mr. Saravanan. Then Sir told that, sir, there is an organization called JC. Oh, nice. And we have an installation function. Oh, nice. We want to come and meet you, sir. Welcome, sir. And Sir came with Mr. Chandrachudan, and and they told that JC was founded in such year, and the objectives of JC is like this, and we request you to come for an installation inaugural function. And I was inquiring. Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing? And he told that he is a trainer and all things. And I came here today. I hope that the assignment given to me is, I hope to the best of my knowledge, I conveyed, and best of my communication, I have done it. And I thank the chair for the opportunity, thank the office bearers, and I thank the zonal chairman and thank the zonal vice president in a JC way. And I thank one and all for your audience. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kumar sir.